Hey everyone, my name is Alex Bell, and I make Twitch and Kick tutorial videos to help streamers grow faster in 2026. Today is 1st May 2026, and in this video, I'm going to test and rank the top 3 Kick viewer bot services that streamers are using right now to boost viewers, chat activity, and channel engagement. I personally tested these services on a small Kick channel, and I'll show you which one delivered the best results, the fastest delivery, and the best control features. So let's get started. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is Stream Boost Pro. The viewers arrived fairly quickly, but the retention was inconsistent during the stream. The dashboard was also very basic with limited customization options. It works for small boosts, but overall it lacked the advanced features offered by higher-ranked services. Number 2. At number 2, we have Viewer Rise. The viewers were stable, and the setup process was simple for beginners. I also liked that the viewers increased gradually instead of appearing instantly. However, the chatbot activity felt repetitive, and the customization options were somewhat limited compared to the top service on this list. Number 1. Followers Panda. And at number 1, we have Followers Panda. Out of all the services I tested, Followers Panda delivered the best overall performance. The website is very easy to use. All I had to do was search for Followers Panda on Google, open the Kick Services section, and select the Kick Viewer Bot package. They offer multiple packages with features like unlimited streaming usage, chatbot customization, Prime Kick subs, and a fully functional control panel. For this test, I purchased the 7-day package. After checkout and payment, the order started processing almost instantly. When I opened the Kick stream again, the difference was obvious. The account gained active viewers, increased followers, and the chatters were engaging naturally in the stream. What impressed me the most was the control panel. You can pause viewers, change chatbot messages, adjust intervals, and completely customize the engagement settings. Compared to the other services, Followers Panda was clearly the most reliable and feature-packed option in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.